Hey girlies, it's Augusta. If you're having a bad hair day, just when you wake up and your hair is feeling blah, maybe it's a bit greasy, you just know that it's gonna affect your whole day. And here is how you're gonna prevent that from spiraling your entire day out of control, just not feeling like yourself, not feeling like the baddie that I know you are. Transforming your hair using one of these easy hairstyles that I'm going to show you. It will probably take you 2 minutes to do, but here's how you're going to take yourself and your hair from a 2 to a 10. Hair makes the outfit and it is the most important accessory that you're going to wear. For the first hairstyle, we're going to do a sort of half up, half down situation. My hair is a bit crusty. I cannot go out with my hair like this. What is this situation at the front? You know I'm being real with you. This is like not me just having done my whole everything shower, but I did have some curls left over. If you want to learn how to get these curls, I actually will link my Bombshell hair tutorial down below. It's really easy as well. You're gonna take your 2 fingers above your ears. You see this? It does depend a bit on your head shape, but I'd say if you go just above your ears, it's probably the best place to start. And I'm gonna sweep your hair back, take your trusty little hairbrush and just brush gently. Try not to ruin my curls, which is why I'm not brushing all the way through the hair, but if your hair's straight, go ahead. Just so it looks a bit more cohesive. It doesn't have to be super slicked. We're not doing any slick backs today. Jazz it up from a 2 to a 10, and a slick back is not taking us to a 10 right now. Once you're happy with the placement of the hair, I like to brush my hair downwards so it's not too slicked far back and it doesn't make me look like an egg. But you can use hair oil or a hair mask to slick the hair back if you want it to be fully slicked. But I kind of prefer the messier vibe for this hairstyle because you'll see how we're gonna fasten it in the next step. All you're gonna need is a little baby claw clip. If you have a regular one, this can also work. It really depends on how thick your hair is. My hair is quite thick, but since I'm only using half the hair, I'm using a baby one. That it is just pinched by my hands, and I'm basically gonna use the claw clip, making sure that everything is nice and smooth. Clip around both sides, so make sure you're getting all the hair that you've pinched with your hands. Clipping it nice and tight and securely. Back gently. You can see that that is so much cuter than what I just had. The puffy hair at the sides is all tailored back to my head. I can always bring half of my hair or all of it in the front, and the curls give it a bit of extra bounce. You can always run a quick curling iron through your hair or follow my tutorial if you don't want to put heat and damage. Such a nice way to also show off a cute makeup look, and just takes my look so much more elevated, especially if you have a one shoulder or off the shoulder top like this. I love it. It doesn't make me look too bold like a slick back because my hair is still down. It's not quite like a ponytail. If you do like lots of contour and eyeliner, it's just gonna make you look so snatched without being like a slick back. Cute hairstyle, it's giving Pinterest. You have hairstyle number 1. So if you didn't want that one, that wasn't your vibe today, or you've already done that too many times because you've used this tutorial and it has made your day, or it's delayed your hair wash day, the second hairstyle, which is honestly the easiest one, all you literally need a headband, and I will link the ones I use below. A headband will save your life. You need a black one and a white one. I would say I have quite a few. A light grey one, a dark grey one. These are good for working out and or for a more sporty outfit or with jeans. I feel like grey goes really well with blue jeans. White and the black ones are more formal options. Can go with a evening outfit if you dress it up, especially a black one. So that's what we're gonna go for today. Bringing it all down. Kind of sad to take it out, to be honest. The trick with a headband hairstyle is that you have to make sure that the ends of your hair are nice and brushed and hydrated. So I highly recommend using a hair oil or hair serum if you haven't already. I personally just use 100% coconut or argan oil. The thing with a headband is if you have makeup on, it can sometimes transfer onto the headband, which is why a black one is easier. But a hack to stop it from doing that, take a towel or like a piece of clothing that you don't really care about, or a tissue, like a piece of kitchen roll, and you put it through the headband. You don't have to do this step, it's a bit extra. And when you put it on, You can see that is genius. So do this with your outfits when you're getting ready, trust me. So you pull out the hair, of course, flipping it round to the right side. I love to place my headbands about 2 finger lengths onto my head, half on my forehead, half on my hair. Definitely depends on your head shape, but because my face is quite round, I prefer to have like some of my forehead covered. But if you have a smaller forehead, you might want to push it further back. Depends on your face shape. You definitely need to kind of just like adjust it in the mirror, but once you've found your ideal headband placement, honestly, it is such a game changer. Like, I just feel like a baddie now. Even when I go to work out, like going to my Pilates class, I have my Lululemons on, matching, and then I've got this black hairband. I feel like I could wear this on a night out, to the gym, to go get coffee. It's the most versatile hairstyle I feel like ever. Headbands are definitely back in. It's perfect for a greasy hair day, but when you don't want to slick back, you still want your hair down. It's also perfect for my girlies who like to dye their hair like me, and you want to cover the roots a bit. I love it. It goes, matches my top. If you want to match it to your outfit, that's such a hack. I recommend wearing studded earrings, and so they're just like peeking out. This video has been brought to you by Glam, a free AI beauty assistant that helps you find your ideal makeup routine based on your own specific features, preferences, style, and budget, and as well as your skin texture and pigmentation and any other preferences that you have, because no two faces are the same. What better platform to use it than AI, where it can use all the information on the entire internet rather than just a quick TikTok search. Honestly, you just don't have time to be searching for a million makeup products and then buying the wrong one, and that's wasted money. So you need to check out Glam. It's super easy to use. I actually have a whole video that I've made on how to personalize this makeup for you if you want to learn more about it. I've made it myself for the girlies to help you guys, just like I want this whole video to help you guys. It's completely free, so please go check it out. Let's get back into the video. So taking this headband off, so this is quite similar to the first hairstyle. You're going to want to take, I'd say, just above the ear and a lot less hair. So we're not doing half up, half down here. Imagine you're curling your hair, right? And you're taking the front portion. As you can see, it's curled, so it's basically like one thing I would curl. Brush it through. I don't want to brush out the curls. Separated from the rest of your hair, right? You don't want it getting all tangled. Pulling it quite taut and upwards. Facelift kind of vibe if you're feeling a bit puffy. Probably a good option. Twist around maybe 1 or 2 times in the circle. Press it to the side of the head. So as you can see, all I've done is taken a small section of hair and then twisted it. I'm going to open one of my bobby pins like that, and then always do the underneath first so it doesn't fall down, putting it through the hair like that. As you can see, just a little bobby pin. I'm going to do one going upwards and one going downwards, and that way they both stay together. So you can see, I'm just pushing this one down, and they are in a crossed situation right here. You can put another one underneath and another one down if you want to double up so it doesn't fall out. I feel like a little princess. This I would call the princess hairstyle. So cute. Makes me look super put together and hides that my hair is a few days old. Makes me look like I actually have like a sophisticated updo. Brushing the ends because you don't want ratty ends, okay? But be gentle because you don't want to pull the hairstyle out. The other side, we're doing the exact same thing. I'm not making it too complicated for you guys. Brush that through, just to make sure it's nice and flat. Having a simple hairstyle that is really neatly and well done looks 10 times better than a super complex hairstyle that is not well done. About the quality of the hairstyle, put my thumb in between it, and that's how I open them with one hand, like that. That way it's open so I can slide the bobby pin upwards and capture all that hair right there. Just crossing, I like to cross the bobby pins over so that they kind of hold against each other. Whatever holds your hair, depending on how thick or long it is going to be heavier or lighter, and that's how many bobby pins you'll need. Here is the final hairstyle. Princess core hairstyle. I'm obsessed with this hairstyle. Actually going out now. I have so many more hairstyles on my TikTok and YouTube shorts that I post every day, so don't forget to subscribe, please, if you haven't already. I post weekly makeup and hair tutorials, hauls. Let me know if you want anything specific, and comment that down below and I will do it for you guys. I just want to share some tips that have really helped me and just made me feel like the best version of myself. So I hope this helps you on a morning or day when you just feel like you need a little bit of extra confidence. Check out my other socials if you haven't already. My TikTok and Instagram, it's Augusta Haynes. And don't forget to check out Ghislaine's socials as well. They are where you're going to find all the latest updates and access to new cool features. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!